has been confirmed by emergency and webcams. Impact, dangerous, and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 77 and 101. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 366 and 409. Locations impacted include Lincoln, Fremont, Blair, Seward, Wahoo, West Point, David City, Tekema, Bennington, Elkhorn, Crete, Schuyler, Waverly, Missouri Valley, Milford, Valley, Wilbur, Oakland, Arlington, and North Bend. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a snow squall warning for a wind chill advisory remains in effect from 6 p.m. until 12 p.m. Friday for the following county: Gage, Nebraska. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a snow squall warning for Mills County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Shelby County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Monona County, Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, western Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Page County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Burke County, Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Saunders County, Washington County, southeastern Dodge County, Otoe County in southeastern Nebraska, Nemaha County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Seward County in southeastern Nebraska, Jefferson County in southeastern Nebraska, Douglas County, Ling County in southeastern Nebraska, Pawnee County in southeastern Nebraska, Sarpy County, northwestern Richardson County in southeastern Nebraska, Gage County in southeastern Nebraska, Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 6 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Ottawa to near Omaha to near Beatrice, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. A second, very narrow but intense snow squall is extended from near Oakland to near Fremont to near Seward to near McCool Junction, also moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include whiteout conditions with near zero visibility associated with intense bursts of heavy snow and 50 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous, and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 1 and 101. Interstate...
Bruh.